Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off roaming clock in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn our roaming clock off, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for lock screen, and our roaming clock is here. What does it do? As you can see, show the time both when you are and at home while you are roaming. So if we change time zone, the roaming clock will show us our current time zone clock, the time zone that we are in with our phone. To turn it off, if we want to, we simply disable this box, uncheck this box, and now whenever we change time zone, the phone will keep the time that we set up. It will not show us the current time zone options and time. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.